This time we stayed at the Pineglen Motorcoach and RV Park in Panama City Beach, Florida, only a couple miles away from the beach. Check this park out and see why we liked it. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our 𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗍, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
What I was saying outside the truck is the great outdoors. John Candy.
Oh! Weather forecasting stone. Is the stone wet? This is pretty. Wow.
1970s Shangri-La.
This is awesome. I feel like I'm in the jungle.
Yeah, Jurassic Park.
Okay. Make
Okay,
this
now
swing
we're
here.
hang here.
It's one way. It's number 39 on the very end. Yep, they're not busy.
They are not busy, no.
Well, look at this little place to sit out here. Bring your drinks out there. Nice.
Okay, how do you tell the numbers here?
54.
53.
It'll go 40, 50, 49, 48, 39. 50, get 49. That's us, 39. And Zippy comes off on your side.
Might be able to get them off right here.
You don't want me to get up and yell at you or nothing?
What do you want to get out and yell at me? Go ahead.
I mean, you're doing pretty good. What?
How far back can I go?
20 feet.
We're going to need every bit of it.
Come on back. You're good. You can keep coming if you want.
Yeah.
Right for Zippy up here?
Yeah. Well, now once we move forward, I don't know. But I can't go too far back. Huh?
So the idea is to park the truck behind the RV.
Shut your walkie-talkie off. Well, what do you want to have? Walkie-talkie sex?
Okay. No, maybe somebody else will be on the channel.
You never know. That would make it kinky.
Here's their office. You commence right on the left-hand side. And we're going to go in and take a look at this little log cabin here. Just register at the desk. Cute little office. When you come in, there's only one way in. They got a rock that forecasts the weather there. Over here is the first pond. This is on a Monday in August, the Monday prior to Labor Day weekend. So there's hardly anybody here right now. There's another pond. A lot of turtles in there. And you can come out there and sit, feed the turtles. We are coming down the road right here. Campground has 60 sites in it. Some of the campsites have little screened-in picnic tables, but they don't have doors on them. Got some smaller sites back here on the pond. These are all 30 amp. And then back here is an open field for puppy dogs. And they do have the stands with the bags for the dog pickup in a number of places throughout the park. And you can see us right over here on the end. We came down here with Wes and Carol and Terry and Nancy in their motor coaches. And went to the beach together. And we were here for a whole week. They were only here for 4 nights. This is coming down the backside, all pull-throughs. How do you like the park, Dave?
All right.
Would you come back here again?
Not in August.
It's a little warm, isn't it?
Just a little bit.
And humid.
Oh, yeah.
Man, there's like nobody here. This is kind of crazy.
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, it's quiet. You can hear the highway noise.
There's your dump station.
Oh, they got a dump station here?
Yeah.
It's a full hookup here. They're a few miles from Walmart, lots of restaurants, good seafood, only a couple miles away from the beach. They have one dumpster, which is up there on your way out. You want to throw that away? This is the laundry, men and women's restroom, and the pool, right?
Right.
We'll take a look at that. If you would be so kind as to park someplace. Water feels a little cool when you first get in it, but then it feels awesome. What's nice about this, it's open 9:30 to 9:30, but it's all screened in for bugs. And that way you can also get some shade along with some sun. Laundry room is accessible from the outside and from the pool. $2 for the dryers and $2 for the washers, 3 of each. Let's go check out the women's restroom. We get some privacy. It's a big one. Dave's been using the men's. He says it's fine. Plenty of hot water. Amenities at Pineglen include basic Wi-Fi internet access for email and browsing, tiled clean climate-controlled bathhouses, laundry, a screened pool, pull-through sites for shorter stays and big rigs. They're near Pier Park, Frank Brown Ballpark, and the new County Pier. There's hundreds of restaurants, a new Publix and Walmart and Target, 3 golf courses, a driving range, and they're all close by. They have a dog area and a dog wash. They have RV storage. They have stocked fishing ponds with huge bass and turtles. They have waterfront sites that are available, lovely wooded area for walking, scenic covered seating areas, horseshoes and shuffleboard, a fire ring that can be shared by everyone, and it's pet friendly. We are at Panama City Beach, Florida. Here we are. Say hi, everybody.
Hey!
It's a Thursday. The beach is pretty full. It's a pretty day. Even though it was cloudy, it made it a really comfortable day out on the beach. We are down here at Pier Park. It's Down by the beach, Panama City Beach, Florida. Lots of restaurants and shops. We're in this really cute dog store. Don't have a dog, but we may have one again someday. But they got the cutest stuff up here. Hair of the dog, help yourself. It's all over the house. Drink local. Neat store. And the scars are hysterical. You dog lovers out there, if you're ever down here, you got to come in here. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.